Good swings and extreme bullishness here across indices across the globe. So, what to expect today from Germany 40, FTSE 100, Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones? Which position you should take and at what levels? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Yesterday, we have asked that every dip is an opportunity for you to buy. A possible rally can be seen, and this is what has happened. I hope you all profited. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel to get the live updates. This is the first update for the day. The next update on US indices will be released before the US session, what that is. And do not forget to like, share, comment, friends. This is a great motivation for me to deliver twice a day updates on major global markets and commodities. Let's start first to look into DAX, followed with FTSE 100, and then US indices. Watch till. See, if you recall, we have mentioned several times the divergence of price from the 20 period will call for it to. Precisely, we have seen the price is achieving the 20 period moving average and beyond. We will come back to daily charts. Let's start with the hourly charts. See, now again the same phenomena, same funda if you apply, you will find the divergence from the 20 period moving average and 20 period moving average right now sitting at 4950 960 zone. If you recall, I had mentioned several times on the upside this was a greater resistance. Now this is going to be a greater support here. Thus this complete zone between 950 to 14,900 is going to remain a great chances for prices to drop towards 14,950 960 exist strong. Stochastic dropping, MACD trying to convert crossover for sell, and this crossover coming at a slightly higher levels. Thus we can see it erasing some of the gains. If you look at RSI is also overbought, can look forward to a slight drop. Look at 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts likewise, flat top, flat bottom. Let it stay below 15,000 and 14,970 levels, then directly we may see it landing towards 14,950 900. Yes, too much of divergence calls for it to converge a bit. Stochastic overbought, MACD is also divergent and bullish, RSI is also overbought here. Similar observation on the 3-hour charts. A little retracement from here can be expected. 14,950 900 should be the greatest support. 20 and 50 period moving averages have crossed over, trading with divergence and bullishness. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI overbought as well. Likewise on the 4-hour charts, see the bullishness getting diminished, but yes, remember this is coming after market hours, and thus the movement is also minuscule. There is a reversal sign, and from here if it draws, more bearishness may prevail. We have to be watchful. Stochastic overbought, MACD extremely divergent, extremely bullish, RSI is also flat near to top. Coming to the daily. On the daily charts, what has happened? Price has retraced above 20 period. You can see what has happened here. It retraced above 20 period. It has in fact there achieved 50 period moving average. 50 period moving average for DAX today is 15,200 levels. Also, if you look at since last 4 days, we have just 14,900 zone. Still 14,840 levels are going to be the major support. A reversal confirmation is only if you see the price is staying below 14,800 levels. I do not see it breaking below 14,800 at least. Stochastic is back to overbought. The MACD, look at MACD trading with open mouth here, trading with divergence and bullishness. Also, if you look at the waves, first wave, second wave, third wave initiated, this could be the highs, but I will wait for it to break past here and initiate a reversal. RSI flat. So yes, a little retracement on DAX can be expected. Probability of 4950 960 zone exists, but still it is a greater support. Achieving those levels, we can probably expect a reversal. A buying entry is only recommended if you see the price is staying above 15,040. You can initiate a buying position. I will look forward to 15,080 15,100. Remember, this is the first resistance zone, and beyond that directly it is going to lend towards 15,200 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at FTSE. Look at FTSE 100. See, it was trading in this zone 7380 7320 zone. Since then it has tried to give a breakout, and again 7380 is a greater resistance. We all know that fact. Now see 7387, this is the zone where we have to exercise extra caution. Beyond 7400, sky is the limit. 7420 7450 levels to be seen. Possibility exists that we may see it getting resistance around same zone. See, moving averages have crossed over, trading with divergence. Support levels at 7360 is very strong, and then 7340 7320 levels. And if you look at the hourly charts, you will find it is trading in this bullish channel. I will wait for a breakout below 7360 in order for FTSE 100 to trade bearish. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is trading with extreme bullishness. It can possibly converge. RSI is trading flat. Now look at 2-hour charts. See, if you look at the charts here, see And also, if you look at the previous resistance zone, you will find it getting maximum resistance here at 7400 420. Thus, once you see the price is staying beyond 7390, you can initiate a buying entry for 7400 420 zone. Beyond that, sky is the limit towards 7440 50 zone. Look at the moving averages crossing over here. Good bullish sign, 7350 levels, good support, 7340, very good support. Stochastic slightly overbought, MACD bullish, RSI is flat. Coming to 3-hour chart. Now look at 3-hour chart. See, preceding candle was outside Bollinger Bands. It has got a push. This candle may decide the direction of it. Possibly this can push it towards 7400. If it stays beyond 7385, we can, in fact, 7385.90, you can initiate a buying position for 7400. Now remember, 7400 is a wall for FTSE 100. 7400 420 is a greater wall for FTSE 100. If it breaks past this, you can say that the prices are reversed. Stochastic overbought, MACD bullish, RSI is also looking upwards, trying to stay bullish. On the 4, similar observation. Now this candle could be the reversal sign if the prices stays below 7370, 7365 levels, and specifically below 7360. Treat this as a reversal sign, and this could be the first red candle, and then second red candle may follow here. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI flat. Coming to the daily charts. Now, if you observe the daily charts closely, see prices are still divergent of prices still at a distance from the 20 period, which is right now sitting at 7420. Yes, the moving averages come down. Also, if you look at, see right now it is trading in this bearish channel. It is precisely respecting the channel. Thus, if you see the price is staying above 7385, you can initiate a buying entry. Now, just connect the preceding highs here, and this suggests that in fact it can achieve the highs here at 7385, 7390. The possibility of a reversal might exist strong. But look at the preceding candle, double bottom levels, and then this reversal, higher highs. Now double bottom has formed it a very strong base, and thus we may see a second bullish candle as well. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish so far. It is willing to converge, and we have seen in last few sessions, whenever it drops towards this and crosses over, bullishness may prevail. RSI rising. Thus, looking at this, I will recommend you to buy FTSE 100 at 7385 and sell at 7365. Above 7385, still be watchful of 400 420 zone. Very, very strong resistance. Then 435 and 50, the next targets. Beyond 450, sky is the limit. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at 7400, 7365 60 zone, below which you can say 7340, 7320 are maximum support, and if it breaks below 7320, consider that as a reversal. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at NASDAQ. Before we proceed to Tech 100, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 27th batch is going to start on 28th of November. Limited seats are available. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Equip yourself with the right tools, techniques, and strategy which can help you identify profitable trades and trade profitably. Reach out to me for more details via Telegram or email, or you can register on my platform where this course is going to get conducted. You can pay there at the platform itself. Let me take you to the tour of the platform. Now this is the platform forexfunda.com, and here is the announcement for my first live webinar, which is going to start this Sunday. This is the first webinar in the series we are going to conduct every Sunday, and we'll see what can be expected out of major global markets and commodities in the coming week. We'll try to give you the analysis and the trading levels. Also, you can just directly get my perspective on how to see the markets. Also, I will be addressing your queries here live. Register yourself by visiting the platform. You can buy here, you can pay here, and be a part of it. Yes, you can find also the details related to the mentorship batch under the tab of mentorship, and you will find the details related to announcement. Yes, in the announcement tab, you will find the details related to batch, the curriculum, the timings, the price, and the payment link as well. You can register by filling the form. This platform is created with the vision to provide the traders a community where you can discuss and anything and everything. You can initiate a discussion, you can discuss with your live fellow traders, and you will also get the data from across the globe, whether be it the economic calendar where the live data and live releases are there. At the same time, you can search for your favorite instrument. You can create your own analysis. Anything which is getting traded across the globe is available here, whether be it stocks, funds, future, forex, CFD, crypto, indices, commodity, anything is getting traded is available. You can create your analysis with the help of charts, help of indicators. These are live charts. You can book a call for any consultation if you want, for any of your existing trade or any futuristic prediction if you want me to make or do the analysis for you. Book a call here with me. Do visit the platform forexfunda.com. Definitely it will add meaning to your trading. Now look at Tech 100. It was divergent from the moving average. I have mentioned here itself that it will converge towards the moving average. Also, if you look at the movement divided into two, look at these two candles almost identically symmetrical. This also we had discussed. It has come to the same levels here. Now trying to look upwards. Now 14,800 is the milestone it needs to break past by in order to confirm the further reversal here. Let's see if it breaks past this zone. Stochastic overbought, MACD. Now this is on the daily charts, but we'll come back to the daily charts later. Let's start with the hourly chart here. On the hourly chart, see the divergence of the price here again tries for it to converge, which makes 14,600 as the greater support levels. 14,600 was earlier the resistance levels. Stochastic is overbought. MACD is extremely bullish. It can possibly convert. Those little red candles can be seen. RSI overbought, which also requires for it to cool down a bit. Similar observation on the 2-hour chart. There is a possibility of a slight retracement towards 600 and then 550, 500. Overbought stochastic, MACD bullish, RSI overbought. So on multiple time frames, things are overbought. Yes, moving averages crossing over here and the 3-hour charts at around 450 levels. And you can see bullishness getting diminished here. There is a tendency for it to reverse. One can possibly initiate a selling entry here at 14,680 levels, below which more bearishness may prevail. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI overbought as well. Coming to 4-hour chart, similar observation here, nothing different. Only thing is the crossover between the 20-50 period moving average, which is making it a good support zone. Stochastic here is overbought, MACD is also bullish, and RSI is also overbought. So yes, everything is overbought here. But now look at the daily charts here. The symmetrical move is done. Now look at the preceding candle. It has achieved the highs and the lows. It has shown a very good swing. And since then we have seen a retracement. It could possibly retrace for next couple of candles before taking the strides towards the top of this channel. If you look at the channel, the top of the channel is now limiting at around 15,200 levels. If you look at the stochastic, this is also overbought here, but look at MACD. See, this is crossing over after the fat belly. This we have discussed yesterday that it is trading with extreme divergence. It should converge. It has converged and it has crossed over, now looking upwards again. This could call for further bullish momentum from here. RSI comfortable. Thus, I will recommend you to buy here at 14,750 levels, beyond which you can look forward to 14,800 as the first target, 14,840 as the next, and if it stays beyond 14,800, 840 zone, you can say the next milestone is 14,920, 15,000 levels. On the downside, a selling entry at 14,680 can be taken, but below that you can say that the support levels are very nearby at 650 and 600. 600 is the major support level below which further bearishness to prevail. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. You can also join my signals channel if you want to trade profitably. You can join my signals channel where you get the live market signals. Trade as per the signals and you can definitely benefit. Reach out to me for more details. Now look at the hourly chart. So here also too much of divergence, calls for it to converge. 33,200 was the resistance, now a support. Overbought stochastic has cooled down, MACD convergent here, RSI near to top. Now see, US30 precisely reversed from the bottom. Now is it aspiring to achieve the highs of this channel? Possibility is there. 33,700 is the next milestone, but before that this has to break past by 33,400 levels, which is the greater resistance here. If you look at the moving average, divergent from the price is divergent from the moving average, calls for it to converge a bit. Overbought stochastic, MACD bullish, RSI also near to overbought levels. Similar observation on the 3-hour charts, thus that the moving averages crossover here suggests bullishness in the coming term. Stochastic overbought, MACD extremely bullish, RSI is also near to overbought zone. On the 4-hour chart, this could be a reversal sign. If the price stays below 32,980-970 zone, one can stay short. We can look 33,280-300 zone, sorry, 32,280-300 zone. If the price stays below, we can look forward to 33,200 levels, and then 33,100 can also be seen. The stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI is near to top. Almost everything is overbought as of now, thus a little retracement cannot be denied. If you recall in my yesterday's update, I have mentioned that it is going to be a bullish day. By the day, That is what has happened. It is now trying to retrace a little. A possible retracement towards 33,200. In fact, 33,100 or lower levels cannot be denied. Only bearishness is if you see the price is staying below 32,950 levels. Then you can say that it has turned bearish and we are going to look at further lows. Stock IC overbought here. Now see, MACD has just crossed over. Trading with divergence and bullishness suggests that it can still continue on the upside after forming the double bottom, looking forward to a rise. RSI flat. Thus, you can buy here at 33,350 levels. Expect 33,400 as the first target. Then we can look forward to 33,600 and 700 levels as well. If not today, possibly by tomorrow. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell at 33,280 levels, but be cautious. 33,200 is the maximum support zone, below which 33,100 levels will be seen. 100, 120 the next support levels, and if it breaks below 100, 120 is where the bears will be taking over. Still, I will recommend, as long as 32,950 is respected today, do not treat this as bearish. It can possibly bounce back. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my live webinar, join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, join my free telegram channel, join my platform forexhunter.com. There is a lot many things to join. You can choose your own favorites and proceed ahead. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. See you again before the US session. Thank you.